All right, it's been a little bit since I messed with this thing. Been back together for I guess a couple weeks now. Um, I had a buddy over and messed with the clutch some more. Seems like it's an issue with the master or the slave cylinder, so I got new of both. Also, eliminating my line with a braided stainless, so that should rule out any issues with any of that. And if I find out that it still doesn't work, then I get to pull the motor again. I'll just throw the old clutch in there and get this thing running, because I have a very purist British car show to go to in about 10 days. All right, so I've been bad about video and stuff. Got the clutch finally figured out. Went to put the front end on. It was hitting the intercooler pipe, so I had to make some adjustments there. No longer hits. That's fixed. Brakes are bled. Put the roof on, then figured out there were some clear coat issues, and went down a 1 a.m. rabbit hole that's turned into a giant thing this morning. So we gotta paint that, and I was gonna clear the rest of the car, like the front, because the front is a bit glossier than the rest of it. So we're gonna do all that too, and hopefully it turns out all right. We'll see. All right, I know all you actual painters are throwing up in your mouth right now, saying, what the hell is this guy doing? But I'm not repainting this whole car. One day, I'll take it to a body shop and let them do it. But there are so many messed up parts of the paint. Like, it literally has house paint in places, all kinds of stuff. I just want the gloss to be the same all over. I want it to be sort of the same shade of orange all over, and just kind of match the front end, which I painted last year because the front fenders were black. So this is one of those good enough kind of jobs, and I'm going to wipe it down and start messing it up. All right, it is all wiped down. I'm going to kind of show some stuff I'm going to try and fix. You can see how hazy the roof is. And of course, that business over there. You can see, if you look real close, this door, it's kind of cloudy here and glossy here. I try and make everything the same kind of glossy. Might try and touch up stuff like this while I'm doing it. We'll see how the roof turns out first. And I'm going to give the water a minute to dry that I just wiped it off with, just to make sure, and get started. So a little paint project the other day turned into a nightmare, but we're done. The car is all back together. Everything is good. Even got a little Bluetooth speaker in there. And when I was redoing some clear coat, I did not notice one of the cans I got was pearl. So now the whole car is pearl. That was fun. I'm ready to drive it again. Clutch is sorted, brakes are done. I think we are good.